Good morning, guys. It was so great seeing most of you yesterday and being able to say hi, catching up on how they're all doing, and being able to see some of the preschoolers. It was great just being able to say hi to them given the circumstances because I know they probably miss being at school and I've missed them too. The only bright side is that next year we'll be able to see each other at Yoakum as preschool is moving over there. So hopefully we'll be able to say hi to each other in the hallways at recess. So that is one bright positive. So for today's plans, today is JJ for our ABC countdown. So your child can wear their jammies all day long, their favorite jammies or the jammies that they wore last night, whichever they would like. And be sure to share the pictures on homeroom because I love seeing all of their pictures. For our plans, just like every day, opening group, play plan, and 30 minutes of pretend play. For literacy, write their name in the Wednesday column. For letter detectives, there's the letter J. And the letter J paper to trace the letter and color the pictures that start with the J sound. For our foundations, it goes J, jug, J. So just the J sound. So if they hear anything that starts with J, they can color it in. For math and science, I have happy numbers and I have who has numbers and shapes. And I gave you a new thing called Count Around the House and Kitchen. So it just has pictures of things that you can find around the house and around the kitchen, and they'll count those items and then try to write the number next to it. If they are still unsure on how to write the number, that's totally fine. You can write it in yellow marker and they can trace it, or you can do hand over hand and try to guide them along, but as long as they're still doing it as well. For gross motor, I have shape hop. So you can do this outside with chalk, just draw shapes out of chalk, or you can do it inside and draw it on pieces of paper, just like our number line hopscotch, just like the ABC hopscotch or the sight word hopscotch. And they just have to jump from shape to shape. They could state the shape and they could state the color, so it kind of reiterates both things. I would suggest doing the most important shapes, which is triangle, circle, square, rectangle. We also do rhombus or diamond. A lot of them call it diamond. And trapezoid, oval, and semicircle. So I would focus on those shapes first, and then you can start introducing maybe a little bit more complex shapes that they would learn in kindergarten. And focus on the main colors as well. And if you have a tan, use tan because that's one of our colors that we focus on for Tools of the Mind. But if you don't have a tan marker or chalk, that's okay. Also, please keep an eye out for a survey that's going to come around for setting up a one-on-one conference with your child. You can choose to do this or you can choose not to do this. But just know that if you agree not to do a one-on-one conference and have me test them, that it'll be noted on the report card that you opted out of doing it. So it's just a fun way to see each other and kind of go over our letters and gives us some one-on-one time to talk to each other and see how they're doing. So keep an eye out for that survey, and those will start the week of June 1st, so the week after Memorial Day. So have a great day, and remember to always reach out if you have any questions about anything.